What's up? Good morning, guys. Oh, it's not focusing. Hang on. Okay. Ayan! Si Noy Tibbs! Oh my God, nakakahawa yung vibes ni Noy Tibbs sa vlog. So guys, it's nearly 8. Oh, it's nearly 10 right now, 10 a.m. So I'm preparing first. And then in today's video, I'm gonna make the entry for Foodies giveaway. Nag-attend ako ng live and then na-realize ko na 31st pala yung deadline. So I said, oh, it's so I need to make it today. And this would only very quick. So hold up. I'm just gonna go ahead and double up these things here. This one just only quick while I'm preparing to do my duty. This is an elf. So, ano ko na lang yung makeup kasi isasali ko na lang to. Kailangan magkabuhay. Gosh! Magti-10 pa, 10 a.m. Ang aga ni babe. Umalis kasi maaga siya. Basok. And then, I usually, mga 10 ako usually. 10 or 11, ganyan. So, ang init sa labas, guys. You know what? Mainit pa sa Pinas. I'm gonna put my foundation on just a little bit kasi magmumukha kang syunga pag marami yung makeup mo tapos ang init, then kamay lang ganon. Tapos dito mas mainit pa talaga sa Texas. Tapos nakakahiya na guys, nakakahiya na mag-umbrella ka para kang syunga kasi ikaw lang nag-umbrella. Wala akong nakita dito nag-umbrella. Alam mo ba yung init na dry, parang muggy, nanunuot. Pero hindi masarap. Nanunuot, diba? Muggy, nanunuot sa sarap. Ito, nanunuot sa skin. Kaya, I start using this Neutrogena or sunscreen. Masasabi ko na mas mainit dito. Kasi yung sa Pinas, parang okay lang sa akin kaya ko pang magbaktas-baktas na walang sako. Walang sombrero o walang payong. Pero dito titiisin mo na lang. Binabaktas ko lang talaga yung ko guys. Pupuntahan ko. Yung trabahuan ko guys. So andyan lang siya. So usually hindi ako dadala ng bag. You know why? May mga pagkain na sila doon. Tapos ayan, nandun na yung computer. I don't need to bring mine. Ganon. So I think I'm alright. I'm alright now. So yeah, I can go ahead and move. Moving! Alright, there you go. At least nagkaroon ng buhay ang aking mukha. Kahit hindi naligo. Hindi, naligo ko ha. Naghabat lang. Yung ulo ko hindi yung binasa kasi naligo ako kagabi. Ganon. So, I'll talk to you. Goodbye! Let's just get off right now and then wow, it's still hot even if it's already 5. Okay, come on, I'm just gonna enter the office right now. Hold up a second. Hi, how are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. And yeah, I just have a huge favor. I think this is huge. Can I?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, okay, cool. Make sure that you're not busy, right? Okay guys, I do have a friend in YouTube world, His name is Foodie1C. That's his YouTube channel. So what I just want you to do, if you could have me that favor to subscribe his channel.
Okay.
Is it real? Oh my god! Here we go.
What was it?
Foodie, like Foodie.
Foodie what?
A1C.
A1C.
Yeah, that's there we go.
How do you...
Okay, there you go.
You said Foodie.
A1C.
Oh, A1C.
Thank you. And what's your name again?
My name's Shelly.
Shelly. And you?
Crystal.
Crystal. Good to see you guys. And
Subscribe.
yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say hi. Can you say hi to Foodie?
Hi, Foodie.
Alright, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, ayan. Kuya Foodie, I have already an entry for that. Actually, this is a good idea para magkaroon ako ng ma-force ko sorry. Sige. Ma-force ko na mag-vlog. So, that's a good idea. I'm done with this, so good luck to the winners, guys.